How to add funds to PlayStation Wallet. To add funds to your PlayStation Wallet from the home screen of your console, you simply have to select the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then go to the users and accounts and head to the accounts option to access the payments and subscriptions. From there, click on the funds and once again tap on the add funds option, select your linked credit card or debit card as well as PayPal account, or simply click redeem gift card and codes if you have a prepaid voucher. Then choose the dollar amount you want to transfer into your digital wallet and confirm the transaction itself. Or what you can also do is you can use your mobile application. You simply have to launch the PS application on your mobile, then log into your account. Now you simply have to tap on the PlayStation Store icon, a shopping bag symbol, and then tap the three horizontal lines menu on the top right corner, then tap the payment methods to manage your cards and tap redeem code to type in the physical gift card PIN. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.